Howdy folks, Zach Smith, Smith's Pest Management, Pest Dude. Hey, we're just gonna take a look at something. I was just driving down the road as I do, and this is awesome, right? This is so awesome. I'm gonna show you what's awesome, hang tight. All right, this is what's awesome. That pile of dirt right there is a mole mound. There's another, there's another, there's another, there's another. The mole's going that way. The mole's going that way. But what's really cool, I just saw as I got out, is this is the beginnings of an itty bitty baby mole pile. And if I wait here long enough, he'll push that pile up bigger and bigger and bigger, because he's right nearby here getting some dirt ready to push up. Let's go take a look at another area of this lawn. I just love the biology that goes on in the city. I'm right by the freeway in San Jose. Totally crazy loud, sorry for the noise. But this is where moles live. They live in the forest, they live in the city, they live anywhere we put water on the lawn. All right, let's try this and get out of here. This is the other side of the driveway where we have some really nicely defined mole piles. Just wonderful, big old mole hills. These are a little old because they've been hit with the sprinkler, so they've lost their texture, but this is definitely not a gopher. A lot of people will call in and say, I got gophers. For one, gophers won't make piles that are this randomly distributed. And gophers won't make piles that will be round when you look down on top of them, like a volcano. And they won't make piles with this crack in the top. So, what does that mean to you? Hey, look, if it's tearing up your lawn, these piles of dirt are gonna kill the grass underneath them just by smothering the lawn. Who cares if it's a gopher or a mole? I'll get rid of it. And one thing that I want to teach people is that if you're going to try it yourself, you need to practice a lot, especially with moles. Catching moles takes a little skill. And if you want to hire a pro, I want you to know what questions to ask. Are you going to guarantee results? Will you show me the bodies? Are you going to use poison or traps? I think anybody worth their salt will trap and show you the bodies if you want to see them, so that you know. That way when you see 2 or 4 or 8 moles come out of your lawn, you'll get a good idea of just how many animals are involved. If somebody says, I put down the poison and they're gone because they cleaned up the piles, and then the piles come back and they tell you, oh, that's a new mole, you have no idea. So I want you to know, because this way you can get a good value, or you at least don't feel like you're chasing your tail, all right? That's all I got today. I'm Zach Smith, Smith's Pest Management in the Bay Area. Pest Dude, taking care of everybody, giving you the knowledge.